everyone and welcome to today. Today we are making a rum and raisin ice cream. More specifically for hubby and I, not for little one. But hey, she's got other ice cream that she will enjoy because she can't have it because of the alcohol. The recipe link is down in the comments below, so you can pick it up from there. I made a strawberry ice cream with it a couple of weeks ago and it was absolutely yummy. So to get started, we've got 2 cups worth of double cream and we're just going to shove them into the mixer. Right, if I just lift this up, you will see how formed it is, and that is brilliant. So now we can add in the condensed milk, which will give it its sweetness. So the condensed milk has been chilling in the fridge since I bought it, so it's nice and cold. You want to get as much of the condensed milk as possible, as this is where your sweetness comes from. They do say 400 ml. This tin is 397 milligrams. Close enough, I reckon. Tastes alright from my last ice cream. Normally, I would add in the vanilla essence, but because I already have alcohol in the rum today, I'm not going to do that. And then we mix again. We're going to keep on mixing until we get some high peaks, which we already are. But let me just check the rest of it. Let's just scrape it off from the side. Mix it all in. Later.
That hurt.
Yeah, I didn't mean to hit you. You ran into my hand. Okay, that is nice and thick. So now we are done with this. I might get to eat some of it. If I can keep it away from the child. Day 1 of my diet is going super well. Now, here we have some raisins I've had soaking in rum. Normally be a 24-hour. I've left it for about 3 days, so they should be well and truly soaked. And I'm just going to shove them in here and run it through. And then I can chuck it into the freezing container. Oh, this is a well and truly rum and raisin ice cream. There's lots of raisins. Now, rum and raisin when I was a teenager was always my favourite ice cream. I wonder why. So here's my little container for our homemade ice cream, and in goes the ice cream. And of course, you should always sample as you are cooking. I'm just going to spread it out. Spread it nice and flat. Nice to know that next time I can do double in this container. I don't think my waistline will thank me for it. Put the lid on it and get it in the freezer.